How to make a video call on Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you make a video call on Google Nest Hub 2nd Gen. Now, Google Nest Hub and a Nest Hub Max can be used for voice call and a video call, but for video call you'll need to set up Google Meet, and you can't WhatsApp a video call using either Nest Hub or Nest Hub Max. It's not possible to FaceTime either. Now, it's also worth noting that when using a Nest Hub for video call, you'll be able to see the video of the person you're calling, but they won't be able to see you as there is no camera on the Nest Hub or Nest Hub 2nd Gen. To set up Nest Hub and Nest Hub Max for video call using Meet or Zoom, follow the instructions. So what you want to do is, for that, you want to open the Google Home app first thing. So tap on the gear icon in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Then scroll down to Communication under Services. Once you do it, so you want to tap on voice. Here you have Communication. Click on Video and Voice Call app. After you do it, so you have Google Meet installed to your device, or you could use a Zoom as well. Now go ahead and click on the link and follow on the instructions, and that way you'll be able to video call as well as make a voice call on your Google Nest Hub. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.